Have you ever found yourself lost in worries about the future or regrets about the past? Today, we're diving into a topic that has the potential to change everything in your life right now. Welcome to this video on the power of the present moment. We often hear so much about living in the present, but what does it really mean and why is it so transformative? If you're ready to discover how embracing the now can bring unprecedented clarity and joy into your life, then you're in the right place. Sit back, relax, and let your curiosity guide you. Understanding the present moment is a life-changing realization. When we talk about the present moment, we are referencing the exact point in time that we are experiencing right now. For many, this may sound simple or even obvious, but truly appreciating the present moment can be profoundly enlightening. Most of us spend our days either reminiscing about the past or planning for the future, often at the expense of experiencing what is happening right now. This video will show you how to harness the power of now and how this can lead to a more fulfilled and peaceful life. First, let's acknowledge how easily our minds drift away from the present. Have you ever been in a beautiful place or a meaningful conversation only to realize minutes later that you weren't fully there? Our thoughts frequently drag us away, pulling us into a loop of reliving old memories or contemplating future possibilities. When this happens, we miss out on the richness of the present. To truly appreciate life's beauty, it's essential to stay grounded in the now. At its heart, the power of the present moment lies in its simplicity. It's about being fully engaged with whatever you are doing at this exact minute without letting your mind wander. This might sound challenging, especially in our fast-paced lives, but with practice it becomes more natural and rewarding. Whenever you catch your mind wandering, bring it back gently. Focus on your breath, your surroundings, or the task at hand. With time, you'll start to notice the magic of the present moment more frequently. The benefits of living in the present are manifold. When we focus our attention on the here and now, we reduce stress and anxiety. Worrying about the future creates unnecessary tension, while dwelling on the past can foster regret and guilt. Embracing the moment cuts these negative emotions off at the source. It helps us stay calm, centered, and more at peace with ourselves and the world around us. One crucial aspect of understanding the present moment is recognizing that it is the only time we have real control over. The past is unchangeable, and the future is uncertain. All we truly possess is the now, and within it lies boundless potential. Every present moment offers a fresh start, a new opportunity to shape our reality and make conscious choices. By focusing on the present, we empower ourselves to take action and create positive change. In relationships, being present can significantly improve connections with others. When we give our full attention to the people around us, we not only show them that we care, but also allow ourselves to experience deeper, more meaningful interactions. Active listening, making eye contact, and truly engaging in conversations can enrich our relationships, making them more authentic and satisfying. Mindfulness is a practice that can greatly enhance our ability to stay in the present moment. Mindfulness involves paying attention in a particular way, on purpose, in the moment, and without judgment. It teaches us to observe our thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. By practicing mindfulness, we can learn to let go of distractions and focus our attention on what truly matters. Simple mindfulness exercises like deep breathing, mindful walking, or even mindful eating can serve as powerful tools to bring us back to the present. Another significant benefit of embracing the present moment is the enhancement of our creative abilities. When our minds are free from the clutter of past regrets and future worries, we can tap into our creative potential more easily. Whether it's painting, writing, solving problems, or coming up with new ideas, being present allows us to access a flow state where our creativity can flourish. This can lead to innovative thinking and fresh perspectives in both our personal and professional lives. It's also important to consider how the present moment impacts our physical well-being. Stress and anxiety can take a toll on our bodies, leading to various health issues. By focusing on the present, we can reduce these negative effects and promote better health. Regular mindfulness and present moment awareness can help lower blood pressure, improve sleep, and boost our overall immune system. Taking care of our bodies by staying present contributes to a healthier, more vibrant life. Living in the present moment doesn't mean we ignore the past or the future. It means we use our past experiences as lessons and plan for the future without being consumed by worry. Balancing this awareness allows us to make informed decisions and appreciate the wisdom we've gained over time. Instead of getting stuck in what was or what might be, we find a harmonious way to live fully in the now while acknowledging the entirety of our life journey. Our surroundings play a significant role in helping us stay present. Creating a space that encourages mindfulness and presence can make a big difference. Whether it's a clutter-free work environment, a peaceful nook for meditation, or simply being in nature, our surroundings can ground us in the present. Taking time each day to connect with our environment, notice the details, and appreciate the beauty around us can further deepen our present moment awareness. Incorporating present moment awareness into our daily routines can transform everyday activities into moments of mindfulness. For instance, when we eat, we can savor each bite, paying attention to the flavors, textures, and the act of nourishing our bodies. When we exercise, we can focus on the movement, our breathing, and the sensation of our muscles working. These simple practices can turn mundane tasks into enriching experiences. Setting aside time each day for silence and stillness can also enhance our ability to live in the present. Whether it's through meditation, prayer, or simply sitting in quiet reflection, these moments of stillness allow us to reconnect with ourselves and find inner peace. Silence can give us the space to let go of external distractions and tune into our inner thoughts and feelings, fostering a deeper sense of presence. Gratitude is another powerful practice that can help us stay present. By regularly acknowledging and appreciating the good in our lives, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. Keeping a gratitude journal where we jot down things we're thankful for each day can be a simple yet effective way to cultivate an attitude of gratitude and stay connected to the present. It's also helpful to remember that living in the present is a continuous practice, not a destination. We will inevitably get pulled away by our thoughts at times, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to gently bring ourselves back to the present whenever we notice our minds wandering. With kindness and patience, we can build this practice over time and reap the profound benefits it offers. In work and productivity, staying present can significantly enhance our efficiency and effectiveness. When we focus fully on the task at hand, without being distracted by other thoughts or tasks, we can complete our work more quickly and with greater quality. This not only boosts our productivity, but also reduces the stress associated with juggling multiple tasks. By giving our full attention to our work, we can achieve a state of flow where our work feels effortless and fulfilling. The power of the present moment also lies in its potential to foster emotional resilience. By staying present, we become more attuned to our emotions and can respond to them with greater awareness. Rather than reacting impulsively to situations, we can take a moment to pause, reflect, and choose a more thoughtful response. This emotional resilience helps us navigate life's challenges with grace and calmness. Furthermore, embracing the present moment can deepen our sense of purpose and fulfillment. When we are fully present, we align more closely with our true values and passions. This alignment allows us to lead more intentional lives, where our actions and decisions are guided by what truly matters to us. By living in accordance with our values, we can find greater meaning and satisfaction in our daily lives. One of the most profound realizations that come with present moment awareness is the understanding that happiness is found in the now. Often, we chase happiness by seeking future goals or reliving past moments of joy. However, true happiness is not a distant destination, but a state that we can access right now. By embracing the present, we open ourselves up to the joy, peace, and contentment that is always available within us. It's important to emphasize that the practice of staying in the present moment is unique to each individual. What works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, it's essential to explore different techniques and find what resonates best with you. Whether it's mindfulness meditation, spending time in nature, engaging in creative activities, or simply pausing to take a few deep breaths, the right approach will reveal itself through practice and self-exploration. As we continue our exploration of the power of the present moment, let's take a moment to reflect on how this can impact our overall well-being. By prioritizing the present, we take charge of our mental, emotional, and physical health. This holistic approach leads to a more balanced, harmonious life where we can truly thrive. The present moment is where life happens, and by being fully engaged, we enrich every aspect of our existence. Practicing presence also helps us cultivate qualities like patience and compassion. When we are fully present, we are more patient with ourselves and others, as we are not hurried by the pressures of time. We become more compassionate, as we are better able to understand and empathize with the experiences and emotions of those around us. This leads to deeper, more authentic connections and a greater sense of community and belonging. Additionally, being present allows us to experience life's simple pleasures more fully. The taste of our favorite food, the beauty of a sunset, the laughter of a loved one, these moments become richer and more meaningful when we are fully there to experience them. By savoring these moments, we add layers of joy and appreciation to our everyday lives. The power of the present moment also has practical applications in achieving our goals and dreams. When we focus on what we can do right now, we take actionable steps toward our aspirations. Rather than getting overwhelmed by the magnitude of our goals, we break them down into manageable tasks that we can tackle one step at a time. This approach not only makes our goals feel more attainable, but also keeps us motivated and engaged in the process. Furthermore, staying present helps us cultivate a growth mindset. By being mindful of our thoughts and actions, we become more open to learning from our experiences. Every moment, whether it's a success or a setback, becomes an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. This mindset empowers us to continuously evolve and become the best versions of ourselves. In moments of difficulty or adversity, present moment awareness can be a powerful anchor. When we face challenges, it's easy to get caught up in worry or despair. However, by staying present, we ground ourselves and find strength in the here and now. We can navigate tough times with greater resilience and clarity, knowing that we have the power to respond mindfully to whatever life throws our way. Another profound aspect of the present moment is its connection to mindfulness and meditation practices. Meditation offers a structured way to cultivate present moment awareness. By sitting in stillness, focusing on our breath and observing our thoughts without attachment, we train our minds to stay present. Regular meditation practice can lead to lasting changes in our consciousness, making it easier to maintain present moment awareness throughout the day. It's also helpful to explore how different cultures and philosophies understand and practice the concept of the present moment. For instance, many Eastern spiritual traditions emphasize the importance of mindfulness and staying present as a path to enlightenment and inner peace. Learning from these traditions can enrich our understanding and give us valuable tools to integrate present moment awareness into our lives. As we deepen our practice of staying present, we may also experience a shift in our perception of time. Time becomes less of a linear progression and more of a series of timeless moments. This shift allows us to experience life more fully, without being bound by the constraints of past and future. We find ourselves living in a state of flow, where time seems to stand still, and we are completely absorbed in the richness of each moment. To further illustrate the power of the present moment, let's consider some real-life examples of individuals who have embraced this practice and experienced profound transformations. From artists and athletes to entrepreneurs and spiritual leaders, many have credited their success and fulfillment to their ability to stay present. These stories can inspire us and show us the practical benefits of living in the now. In our busy lives, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, constantly rushing from one task to another. However, by consciously choosing to slow down and stay present, we can find a sense of calm and clarity amidst the chaos. This doesn't mean we have to abandon our responsibilities or ambitions. Instead, it's about approaching them with a mindful attitude and a focus on the present. It's also essential to recognize the role of self-compassion in our practice of staying present. Sometimes we may struggle to stay present or feel frustrated when our minds wander. In these moments, it's important to be kind to ourselves and acknowledge that this is a natural part of the process. By treating ourselves with compassion, we create a positive and supportive environment for growth and self-discovery. Overall, the power of the present moment is a profound and transformative concept that can revolutionize the way we live our lives. By staying present, we can reduce stress, cultivate inner peace, improve our relationships, enhance our creativity, and lead more fulfilling lives. While it takes practice and dedication, the rewards are immeasurable. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to practice present moment awareness together. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the space you are in, the sounds around you, and the thoughts passing through your mind. Allow yourself to be fully here in this moment. Embrace the richness of the now and carry this awareness with you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the power of the present moment. We hope this video has inspired you to cultivate present moment awareness and experience the profound benefits it offers. Remember, the present is a gift, and by staying fully engaged with it, we can create a more vibrant, joyful, and meaningful life. Stay present, stay mindful, and embrace the endless possibilities that each moment holds.